A clean bathtub is essential for a fresh and inviting bathroom, but finding the best bathtub cleaner can be tricky. The right cleaner should eliminate stubborn grime and soap scum without damaging your surfaces. In this video, we'll explore some of the top options that effectively tackle tough messes while being easy to use. Let's dive into what makes these cleaners stand out. Scrubbing Bubbles Bathtub Cleaner. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable option for keeping your bathtub spotless, the Scrubbing Bubbles Bathtub Cleaner Disinfectant Spray is an excellent choice. This 32-ounce bottle packs a powerful punch, offering a formula that easily tackles stubborn bathroom grime, soap scum, and hard water stains. It's not just about cleaning, it also kills 99.9% of bacteria, making it a top contender for maintaining a hygienic bathroom. The foaming action adheres to surfaces, allowing it to lift dirt and grime effectively, so you don't have to scrub endlessly. The fresh citrus scent is another highlight, providing a vibrant, clean smell without the harsh chemical undertones that many cleaners leave behind. This product is ideal for a variety of bathroom surfaces, including tubs, sinks, countertops, and shower doors. And it works on ceramic tiles, stainless steel, and even chrome fixtures. Its easy-to-use design is another advantage. Just spray, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe away. You're left with a sparkling clean bathroom with minimal effort. The formula is gentle yet powerful, meaning you can use it regularly without worrying about damaging your bathroom surface. Overall, Scrubbing Bubbles offers outstanding value for the money, combining efficiency, fragrance, and bacteria-killing power to make bathroom cleaning a breeze. LYSOL Power Bathroom Cleaner. For those searching for a powerful and cost-effective solution, the LYSOL Power Bathroom Cleaner Trigger is a must-try. This 22-ounce spray bottle is designed to deliver exceptional cleaning results on tough bathroom messes like soap scum, limescale, and mildew stains. It cuts through grime quickly, leaving behind gleaming surfaces in tubs, sinks, showers, and countertops. Not only does it clean effectively, but it also kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, ensuring a hygienic bathroom environment. This cleaner works excellently on a wide range of bathroom surfaces, including ceramic tiles, stainless steel, and glass, making it versatile enough to tackle all your cleaning needs. The fresh scent is pleasant and lingering, without being overpowering, enhancing the overall bathroom experience. With the convenience of a 3-pack, you won't have to worry about running out of cleaner anytime soon, making this option both practical and cost-effective. Whether you're doing a quick daily wipe down or tackling a more serious cleaning job, LYSOL Power Bathroom Cleaner Trigger offers both performance and value, making it a standout option for maintaining a pristine bathroom. CLOROX Disinfecting Bathroom Cleaner. CLOROX is a trusted name when it comes to disinfecting products, and their disinfecting bathroom cleaner lives up to the brand's reputation. This 30-ounce spray bottle is packed with a potent formula designed to tackle soap scum, grime, and dirt quickly and effectively. It's especially beneficial for bathroom surfaces such as tubs, sinks, toilets, and tiles, and it kills 99.9% of germs, including harmful bacteria. What makes this cleaner unique is its bleach-free formulation, which is a safer option for families while still offering powerful disinfecting action. The product leaves your bathroom smelling fresh without leaving any dull chemical residue behind, ensuring a clean and pleasant environment. CLOROX's Smart Tube technology ensures you get every drop of the solution, minimizing waste and making this a great value product. Whether you're using it to clean bathroom fixtures, remove tough stains, or disinfect surfaces, CLOROX Disinfecting Bathroom Cleaner is a reliable and efficient option that combines convenience, safety, and performance. If you're tired of struggling with harsh chemicals or ineffective cleaners, this product might be the perfect solution for a cleaner, fresher bathroom. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Tub Cleaner. For those seeking an eco-friendly yet effective bathroom cleaner, Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Tub Cleaner in Lavender is a fantastic option. This plant-derived cleaner strikes the perfect balance between effectiveness and gentleness, making it a great choice for cleaning bathroom surfaces like tiles, sinks, and tubs. What sets this product apart is its use of natural ingredients to remove soap scum and hard water stains without the harsh chemicals found in many traditional cleaners. The lavender scent adds a touch of calm, garden-inspired freshness to your bathroom, enhancing the cleaning experience with a pleasant fragrance that isn't overpowering. In addition to its powerful cleaning action, Mrs. Meyer's is also cruelty-free and Leaping Bunny certified, making it an ethical choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Using this cleaner is simple. Just spray and wipe to reveal sparkling surfaces. While it's excellent for most bathroom surfaces, it's important to note that it should not be used on natural stone or marble. Overall, Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Tub and Tile Cleaner is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a reliable, eco-friendly cleaner that's both effective and gentle. It's a great option for keeping your bathroom fresh and clean, while also being kind to the planet. Method Bathroom Cleaner. Method Bathroom Cleaner in Eucalyptus Mint is an excellent choice for those who want a cleaner that combines power with sustainability. This 28-ounce spray bottle offers a biodegradable, bleach-free formula that's perfect for tackling soap scum, grime, and mildew stain. Its plant-based ingredients ensure a powerful clean that's safe for the environment, making it a great option for anyone looking to reduce their ecological footprint. What makes this product stand out is its refreshing eucalyptus mint scent, which is complemented by hints of bergamot, citron, and lime leaf, creating a fresh, invigorating atmosphere in your bathroom after every use. Not only does it clean effectively, but it also dissolves soap scum and helps prevent hard water stains, leaving your bathroom surfaces shining. Method is also cruelty-free, tested on humans, not animal, which adds to its appeal for ethical consumers. With its thoughtful formula and effective cleaning power, Method Bathroom Cleaner offers a perfect balance of sustainability, performance, and fragrance. If you're looking for a bathroom cleaner that's gentle on the planet but tough on dirt, this product is a must-try for anyone looking for a more eco-conscious cleaning solution.